Rebooted. Bang&Mix. Reboot.
And welcome to a very quick bangatorial. There was a chap on Twitter, I was on Twitter very briefly this morning, and a chap called Chris Mountford, and he was saying how expensive it now is to go to the Festival of the Unexceptional. I've never been, I probably wouldn't go. I don't really go to car shows as such, very rarely. But apparently it's gone up from 20 quid in 2022 to take your car, and it's now nearly £40. It's like £38.70 or something ridiculous. That seems like a lot of money, doesn't it, to spend for something which is sponsored and supported. And it just makes me think that, yeah, we should do something which is very free and actually celebrates cars which are actually exceptional. I think the bangers that a lot of us run are very exceptional cars. It doesn't matter what it is. I think if it's over 10 years old, you're doing very, very well. And I think maybe that's what we should do. We should all have a show, whether it's a physical show, I don't know. Certainly shouldn't cost any money at all. If there is money involved, it should be raised for a good cause, not a great big charity with pensions and all that sort of stuff for the people that run it. I want local charities where all the money is spent, where it's supposed to be spent. I don't know how we all do this, but again, we vote for it. So it really is a people's vote. I think that's what we have to do. Do I want to organise it? Not particularly, no. Hopefully someone else will step in and do that. But, maybe we could do something online. Maybe we could all meet up in a car park or something. But if people want to do this, maybe we could get something, like a ball rolling and some other people involved. But mostly, I don't want this to be corporate. I don't want this to be anything where anybody's going to make any money. It's just where people come together and vote for a banger that's doing a good job of work. That's it, really. The people's banger, something like that. I don't know. I'm not clever enough to know, but I just think a lot of these things have just got a bit out of hand. A few years down the line, it's just a sponsorship opportunity. Let's try and organise an alternative. I don't know whether it will work or not. But thank you for watching. Please leave comments and please get together. If we can do something via Twitter or one of those other platforms, that'd be great. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rebooted. Bang&Mix.